Chinakel-mirco Electronics Co., Limited was founded in Yucheng City in 1993, covering an area of 20,000 square meters. Our main products are micro switches, detector switches, and push-button switches. With the rapid development over 30 years, our company now has a team of experienced and efficient professional of over 10 engineers, 12 technicists, and 20 senior managers. Our superior production equipment, advanced technology, and excellent inspection equipment guarantee the stability and reliability of our switches. Our total monthly production reaches more than 50 million pieces. Keep improving switch quality and realizing factory automation is always our goal. To provide customers with satisfactory switch solutions, Chinakel Electronics has been committed to the research and development of factory automation. Now we have fully automatic production lines and adopt a dynamic data visualization monitoring system to strictly control each process. Chinakel Electronics has material analysis instruments to check the quality of raw materials. Professional laboratories has been established that meets CQC, UL, equipped with visual AC and DC endurance testing equipment. Chinakel can provide reliable and valid test results for meeting the customer's requirements. Our factory has passed ISO 9001:2015 and IATF 16949:2016 quality management system. Meanwhile, our switches have UL, TUV, CB, CE, CQC, ROSE, and so on. Chinakel Electronics Co., Limited mainly manufactures micro switch KW3, micro switch KW12, waterproof micro switch KW1 and KW2, waterproof micro switch WS1 and WS2, detector switch, and tact switch. We hereby welcome our customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us for a better future.